classroom construction. Bakit ang tagal? Sabi nung USEC ng DepEd, kasi may pabago-bago sa listahan ng DPWH dahil hindi kami ang gumawa ng listahan.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, with respect to the 17 billion in Annex A of the GAA, we are not privy on how the school sites were chosen. So, be it as it may,
How is it chosen?
I'm not privy to that, Mr. Chair. As, when the GAP came out, there was a 14.7 billion Annex A. Then when the committee, the GAA came out, from 14.7 it became 17 billion. So we are not privy to how the list was generated.
So dagdag ko lang yan doon sa confirmation na